Let's implement the alternative solution for the second problem. Before we start, let's take the height and convert it into integer. Please enter the height value. And after we get the height, we can make some computations on it. So I need that outermost loop that gives me each line by line, in range height, like we did before. And now I get these lines, and for each line I should print some spaces and some O's. For printing the spaces, I'm writing another for loop. It's not necessary, but in this solution we are using for loop. And for, let's say j, another loop variable in range height minus idx minus 1. Why this is the case? Because I know that in each line I have height minus idx minus 1 spaces. So I'm iterating a loop for this many times, and in each time, in each iteration, I'm putting a space. So let's print the space. But after printing the space, I don't want to put an enter character. So I'm saying that don't press the enter button by writing end is equal to an empty string. So after this for loop, and this for loop is done, I know that I printed all the required spaces, and I should move forward for the O's, the O characters. And again, I'm losing another for loop here for another loop variable, let's say x, in range 2 times idx plus 1. Why this is the case? Because I know that in each line I have 2 times idx plus 1 O's, and I'm iterating a loop that will run for 2 times idx plus 1 times, and in each time of this for loop I'm putting just one O character. I'm printing an O, and after this O I don't want it to be press the enter button because I want this O to be adjacent. So again I'm saying that don't press the enter button, and let's check our solution. For each line I'm printing the spaces, I'm printing the O's, and at the end when I'm done with a line I should press the enter button so that I can move forward to the next line. So I'm printing simply nothing because that means go to the next line for me. And let's check if it's working. Let's give 5, and it gives us a centered triangle of height 5. Let's say 3. It's again working correctly. So this is an alternative solution to the second problem. You can use nested for loops to solve this kind of problems. And in the next, and probably in the last video, we'll be going over a problem is really similar to that problem, and see you in the next video.